Yes, hello? Hello? Yeah, sorry to bother you. How you doing? How you doing tonight? How you doing? This is the locksmith, right? I got a little bit of problem. How much to unlock Panocha? How much to unlock Panocha? You don't know what Panocha is? Pussy. Pussy. Not mine, my wife's. It's locked. Yeah, how much? It's locked. There's a belt right now. He said, hold on, let me go get a price. He goes, what's Panocha? He goes, mine? Like mine? My wife. How's yours then? He goes, hold on.
Oh.
That was a good one. What an idiot, dude.
I'm telling you, dude, they're from Israel. They're either Israelis
He don't know
or
what-
Iraqis.